I'm here to talk about self love and body positivity. Accepting the way you are and loving yourself brings positivity. Everybody in this world isn't blessed with flawed skin and the perfect body, but accepting who you are and loving yourself is the true definition of self love. Yes, it's true, it doesn't come easily to everybody. You have to keep working on it, and it may even take time. But believe me, when you are at ease with your own self, nothing seems more merrier. Ignoring other people's comments, their notions, it may take you some of your part, which may not come back easily. But believe me, this journey is worth it. Because when you reach that point, when you give yourself the utmost importance, like nothing else is more important to you than yourself, that feeling is amazing. Taking each and everything that you hear about yourself from others positively, it helps immensely to get yourself better, to just improve yourself from your point of view. Just remember, no one in this world has better views for you than yourself. No one is capable of doing that. May it be anything you believe in. Just don't let your own sparkle go away. And whenever you feel like it, just remind yourself some things like you're great, your life is great, everything happening in your life is for your own good, and it is going to take you to another level of your life. You're growing, you're getting better. That's all. And just remember, you owe yourself the love you easily give to other people. And please just stay away from the people who make it hard for you to believe in yourself, and invest in the people who believes in you and make you feel happy about it. Remember, self-care isn't about being selfish. You owe yourself the little happiness in your life. Always remind yourself that you're a beautiful person. You're a beautiful person inside out, and don't let anyone make you question that. Always love yourself as a person you love. Because loving yourself, loving your true self, and falling in love with it is a process that cannot be rushed or devalued. Maybe loving yourself can be the hardest thing that you have ever done for yourself throughout the life. But with time, you grow. You get better at it. You are getting yourself better. I just want to say that. Just speaking about or talking about self-love and body positivity, it is easy, but making yourself believe in it, it is way harder. So you should never give up until you find that love. And at the end, I just want to say that whenever you feel like that it's nearly impossible for you, or it is too hard for you, or you can't continue doing that, just remind yourself two things. First, always love yourself, adore yourself, and second, be the beautiful person you are, and just be you, because you're unique in your own way. No one can change that. So be you.